time given to ministers, etc., should be granted and calculated as time for the political subject. I'll give you another one. Okay. If I give Clan TV, the difference was, if you see, there is a big difference between Socialist Party and Democratic Party. At the time, we tried to cooperate with Central Election Committee to have a written agreement with them.
Is it also the news?
Hmm? This is the newscast, yeah.
So with regard to the news, I'm curious when you were monitoring, because they could dedicate to a party a lot of time, but reflecting in like bad news. So did you make a differentiation?
Yes, there is a comment at the end of each paragraph.
This is like good news.
Yes.
Okay.
In the
No,
news,
this is
it's
time.
you just include in this kind of graphic that we did like bold. Only the time giving, not making the quality.
Not the content.
Yeah. The comments of the quality, we have done it in another paragraph. But in this case, there were not bad news for the 777. If we see the debates of the same television here, you'll see that still Democratic Party, it's more than Socialist Party, and the green one is Socialist Party for Integration, huh? Is it okay, I have other colors here in this, sorry. So this 249, it's for another subject, which is actually the third one. And in that time, it was in the same level with two other parties, which were Republican Party and the Party Agrarian Party. This was the highest difference between our time in advertisement and TV Clan at that time. If you see, there is a huge difference of around 200 minutes in advertisement. The last election campaign in advertisements has been very strong. I mean, advertisements were very well used by political actors.
Here, I think that here we have this problem of analyzing the data after the period of campaign.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a very good report, but it's been after.
We have not done any analysis after. Because even our expertise at that time was only to make the monitoring and to do the comments on the current monitoring. This is a base for them who...
No, in the sense that these are statistical data that you analyze after the event.
Yeah.
And I would like to add a new thing about ICT. But the new thing that is happening now in the country is that there is a situation regarding the need for this type of information. So some not public, but private companies, semi-private or semi-public companies, have invested to have this monitoring equipment. And you can see in the real time how much the population is following a given debate, which was not before in the country. There were some statistics done, some surveys done, but now we can monitor in real time what is going on in the audience. And this is a good thing to see how, and this will be another interesting comment related to the first one that you have done.
Indeed, what we were thinking is to do the same for the election of 2013 and to compare data and to see if this kind of monitorings, because at the time we were not the only one doing, but there were three, have influenced a little bit in media actors, or for good or for bad. I have no more time to go on, but if you want, I can deliver copies. I have a copy with me, so I can photocopy this for all of you that are interested.
Is it online? Is it online?
Excuse me?
Is it online? Is it somewhere on your website?
It has been online up to a certain moment. Then after 2009, it lost the interest, so we have not it. But if you want, we can put it online. Or do it by email. This is the final report. There is another annex, the one I said in the beginning with the methodology and how we did it. And then there is another annex for the Silence Day. And then there is an annex with the qualitative comments, which I don't have time now to to stay.
But we can share it after if you want.
Would be
When
very
we can
good,
have a coffee, we
actually,
can talk
to
about
else
it.
if I may.
We do have time for questions if you have any questions.
It would be very good actually to get all the presentations.
Yes,
By mail, like
I'm the
delivery.
intermediary. I am the intermediary. So if you need any of the
Like all.